Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming a few essentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID in Settings, and verify your Wi-Fi or cellular data is active. Once done, force quit the music app and reopen it so cached connection attempts reset. You do this because the app can hang on stale tokens or temporary network glitches. If you see a prompt to accept terms or update payment, handle it now. Otherwise, move to Network Checks to isolate whether the issue is local to your device. Next, dig into network and account layers. Toggle airplane mode briefly or disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi to clear transient routing problems. If connections still fail, reset network settings to remove corrupted DNS or proxy entries. Note this clears saved networks. Then sign out of your Apple ID in Settings Music, restart, and sign back in so authentication tokens refresh. You do these steps because most connection errors come from network handshakes or expired credentials that simple restarts don't fix. Finally, apply advanced fixes. Update iOS and any available music app updates because mismatched versions can break service handshakes. Disable any VPN or proxy and test on a different network to rule out carrier or VPN interference. If problems persist, create a backup and consider restoring your device as a last resort to remove deeper software corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, capture the exact error message and time. Then contact Apple support. They can check server logs tied to your Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.